I would assume that this applies for both the 2014, 2016 Cadillac ELR, where I was having difficulty with the electronic door latch system working properly. When I would shut down the vehicle, it wouldn't notice that I've actually powered down. The auto exit seats wouldn't work properly, and the window wouldn't work properly, and it would actually jam and bind up against the outer chrome trim and create some issues, damage and whatnot. This was a $630 estimated repair from the dealership. Here's the part number for the driver's side door latch, that 234-37704. As mentioned, it received $630 repair because they wanted to replace the outdoor pad as well, which I thought was unnecessary, which in case it wasn't necessary because it's not working. But I was going to show you that the new part comes with both cables, the emergency cable that goes back to the trunk, and also the hand release there next to the driver's seat. But instead of taking all of that apart, all you need is the main unit, and I'm going to just try to quickly show you what it requires. There's just two screws here that use a T9 Torx, and you just simply remove these two screws, and you kind of lift, and there's a little catch on this side here, and those are easily reduced or replaced. You just kind of put them back in when you put it on the new ones. Pretty simple. It won't be bound up as the way it is right now, because everything will be in its proper position. It lines up pretty well when you replace it. But I thought I would quickly show this, that it's not too bad as far as replacing the two cables and using what we had, but it is a little bit more intensive than I initially thought. So I will show some images or possibly videos of that to the forums or here to YouTube. Thanks.